Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are here with a new video about how to use Instagram on your PC or desktop or laptop. We are going to tell you about an Chrome extension that allows you to use Instagram on your desktop. It's an easy and quick way. So let's start with the video. Open Google in your Chrome browser. Search desktop for Instagram. Click on this result. Install this extension. This extension allows you to browse web mobile Instagram site directly from your desktop. This is very simple. App allows you to access to the Instagram mobile website like you can do on your smartphone. You can upload your photos from your computer. Open and download full HD photos. View your notifications. Post pictures, photos, media from your computer. Easy share on Facebook and Twitter. Everything you can do normally on your phone. On the Instagram extension is installed. An icon shown here. Now open Instagram. See how it looks. Loading the page. Now Instagram is open. Here you can see the Instagram, same as you see in your phone. Here you can see the notifications. People followed you and likes. Here you can add the photos from your computer. Download photos. Here download starts. See photo in new tab with a full screen. Facebook and Twitter sharing buttons. Like, comment. You can switch off the options. Download option is hidden now. On again. Full HD format on and off. Sharing button on and off. So these are some of the awesome features of this extension that allows you to use Instagram on your desktop normally as on your smartphone. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Yeah.